Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan, and today, oh yes, today, ladies and gentlemen, we have ourselves an unboxing video. Alright guys, by this box, I'm sure you guys are probably able to tell what your boy was able to scoop up here. So yes, I was actually able to grab 3 pairs of these guys right here. It is the Union LA Bephie Beauty Supply with the Air Jordan 1. So yeah, man, I'm super happy and grateful I was able to grab 3 pairs. I do know that some people are not gonna like this video simply because this is kind of a polarizing sneaker, right? So a lot of people are saying that they hate them. A lot of people say that they don't like them. They don't like this. They don't like the weave. They don't like whatever. I like them. So that's just what my opinion is. We're going to do an unboxing. We're going to review it. And that's just what we do here on the channel. So you can let me know down in the comments below if you like them. If you don't, that's your prerogative. It's your opinion. You're entitled to your opinion. But that's it. So let's just get right into it, guys. So like I said, I was able to cop 3 pairs of these guys. I got 2 from the Sneakers app. And I was able to hit on Union's website when they did a launch. All in my personal size. So you can see, going on the box, it says Summer of 96 right here. Really cool. Love the special boxes. I'm always a big fan of the special boxes. You got Union right here. Got, I believe that's Bephie. Don't quote me on that, but you got her right there. Got the Air Jordan right there. And then, obviously, you got your size tag. So, like I said, my true size and then the Air Jordan 1 is an 11.5. So, there's the label right there. Once you open up the box, you get greeted with the Union logo, Bephie Beauty Supply, and the Air Jordan logo with that 96 tag right there. You're also going to get some special paper. It looks just like the box, so we're not going to go super in-depth into that. But, really cool that they did a special box for this release, and I'm happy about it. Alright guys, and without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 1 Union LA Bephie Beauty Supply in the house. So, like I said, I was able to cop 3 pairs of these things. Really glad I was able to do so. This is a very, very detailed sneaker. Okay, so first off, you got some really nice leather all across the shoe. Not super, super soft, but you can definitely tell it is a premium cut of leather. Let's just, I don't even know where to start on these things. Let's just start from, obviously, the money shot right here. So, you're going to get this weave, right? You got it all around the shoe. Obviously, coming all the way up through the back, all the way around the midfoot and going to the toe box. Now, this design right here, okay, is from actually the Nike Footscape, right? They put it on a couple different model shoes, but it is from there. It's not like it gives this shoe like more comfortability or breathability, so on and so forth, right? It does fit just like an Air Jordan 1 would. I have thrown these things on and they fit exactly like your normal Air Jordan 1, so I would recommend going your true to size. You don't have to size up, you don't have to size down. But yeah, no, I think it's a really cool design. It's obviously unique and it's pretty polarizing to some people. You know, it's an Air Jordan 1, it is a classic, so whenever they do some modifications like something like this, some people are going to be really, really against it. And you know what? It is what it is. It's their opinion. They're entitled to it. But I personally like it. Now, going around the toe right here, like I said, you got some nice leather. And then all along the edges of the leather, you are going to notice it's got that golden orange, yellowish hue, raw edge going around the entire leather. It's like that painted edge. I really, really am a big fan of that. That is one of Union's staples in their collabs. Now, going to the tongue, you are going to have the Union LA standard laces that are inside the shoe. It's the white lace, kind of sailish hit. And then, obviously, as it goes up, it gradually grows into that gray, which I really, really like. That is another staple of Union. And also, I did throw into my second pair the standard, classic Union gold laces right here. Let me know what you guys think about that down below. Obviously, I got 2 left shoes here, but just for comparison, what do you guys think? You prefer the white laces that come inside the shoe, standard, or do you prefer the gold laces that I did put in there that come with the shoe as well? Personally, if you want a more popped out shoe, you go with the gold, right? That's why I threw them in my second pair. So I got one pair fully golded out, other pair standard. I think it's a nice mix match. You can kind of throw together some different fits depending on the lace option. Now, continuing along the shoe, you are going to get this like suede nubuckish feeling. It's not like a flat leather Nike swoosh in that gray material going all around the back. Right there. Also, going around the back, you are going to get that one hit. There's only one hit of the Bephie Beauty Supply, reference to this sneaker, and it's literally right here over on the heel. You got the BBS, Bephie's Beauty Supply, right there. I actually think that teal color stitching that goes across the shoe and also onto the tongue as well, I do think that that's a nice hit. I think that ties it together with the sail, with that gold, with the gray. It's a really nice color combination, the color blocking. Really, really good colorway, in my opinion. I really love how these things turned out. So anyway, yeah, you get the teal stitching going all the way around the top right here. You have your standard Air Jordan Wings logo. Now, this Wings logo on this shoe is pretty enlarged compared to the most recent Air Jordans that have been coming out. With this new, more OG cut of the Air Jordan, if that's what you want to call it. You do have an enlarged logo right there in gray. Just below it, you have the classic Union LA little tag right there. Now, going to that tongue, you do have that sail tongue. You have that teal stitching. And you also are going to get the raw edge on the tongue, if you could tell right there. You're going to get that raw edge along the tongue, and then also the Nike Air in gray. Along the top of the ankle collar, you are going to get this gray as well, and it's like a felt material. That's like the best way I could describe this, is more of a felt material. That's kind of how it feels to me, at least. And your ankle collar is also going to be in gray. Now, that's not like your standard Air Jordan 1 ankle collar. It's more of like the last generation of Air Jordan. So like your older models used to have this feeling mesh ankle collar. The more recent is like more like that neoprene. So yeah, pretty cool that they went with this material instead. Now your insole inside is also going to be teal, and it just says the Nike Air. Don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but it is teal inside of there. Now your midsole, you obviously have that sail midsole, really nice sail midsole, and then on the outsole, you're going to get that vanilla outsole right there. It looks identical to the outsole of the Vibrations of Nyjah. If you guys did get those or cop those, it's the exact same outsole as those right there. So overall, guys, let me know what you guys think about the Union LA Air Jordan 1, the 2023 rendition of it. Obviously, so this is the third rendition of the Air Jordan 1 Union collaboration. Obviously, you had the Storm Blues, you had the Black Toes. Where do you guys think these rank right here, right? Obviously, people are going to probably love the OGs more than this, but personally, I really like them. Really glad I was able to cop them. Nice materials, like I said, really detailed shoe. Where they rank for me probably is number 3, right? I think the Black Toes were better. I think the Storm Blues were probably my favorite, personal favorite. But these things are really, really nice. And I think if you were able to cop these things in hand, you can really appreciate the details a lot better than you would be able to if you were just seeing the images online. And the quality control as well, guys, I mean, superb. There is no glue stain at all on this pair. I can't even think of a single flaw from the quality control. So the quality control was immaculate on this pair right here, as well as my other pairs that I checked out as well. So like I said, guys, let me know what you guys think about these things down below. If you wanted them, were you able to cop on Union's website? Were you able to hit on the Sneakers app? Let me know all that info down below in the comment section. And with all that being said, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you are smashing that subscribe button. We're cruising to our 1,000 subscriber mark. Also, if you did enjoy, please smash that like button as well. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss another one of my videos. And that's going to do it for me, guys. So, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Me and the Air Jordan 1 Union LA Bephie Beauty Supply. We're out. Peace.